Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make ocean waves. First, gather your materials: a clear container, water, and a flat object. Next, prepare your container by placing it on a stable surface. Then, fill it with water, leaving some space at the top. Finally, we will explore the simple mechanics behind creating realistic wave motion right in your own space. This hands-on activity is both fun and educational. To begin, select a clear, rectangular container, ideally at least 12 inches in length, to give your waves room to develop. Fill this container with water, aiming for approximately 2/3 full. This leaves ample space for wave movement without spillage. For a more authentic ocean look, you can add just a few drops of blue food coloring. Place your setup on a very stable, flat surface. Now for the exciting part, generating the waves. Take a flat object, such as a ruler or a small piece of cardboard. Position it at one end of your water-filled container. Gently and steadily push the object into the water, then pull it back. Repeat this motion with a consistent rhythm. You will quickly see waves forming and traveling across the water's surface, mimicking ocean swells. As your waves propagate, take a moment to observe their characteristics. Notice how increasing the force of your push affects the wave height. Pay attention to the wavelength, which is the distance between two consecutive wave crests. You can also get a sense of the wave's speed as it travels across the container. Experimenting with different water depths will also reveal interesting changes in wave behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.